Okay, this is day 4 of a hard dry fast. Day 4 is an interesting day because you're in ketosis and you're starting to really selectively use fat for your fuel. If you kept drinking, you would not turn this process on. And the body would have a confusion going on of, should I use fat? Should I use protein? Because you can't tap the fat cells and your body is screaming for glycerol. It'll start cutting up your proteins, like your muscle mass. Your heart is a muscle. Your organs are muscles. During a water fast, you'll end up losing muscle and fat. A dry fast, only fat.
Okay, it's day 4, and just out of honesty, there was a scale mishap where I read the scale wrong, or the scale was in the wrong position to give me a correct weight. So this morning I weighed 154. So actually I've lost 9 pounds in 3 days, but that's pretty phenomenal. I feel great. I'm not hungry. I'm not thirsty. Again, I'm just taking it easy because it is a little fatiguing to be in this autophagy state, which I've been in now for about 48 hours, which is great because now I know that the macrophagy, microphagy, chaperone, autophagy is in place. I've got the lipophagy going on, I've got mitophagy going on, I got agrophagy going on, I got xenophagy going on. So all these folded proteins, all these viruses are being removed, the fat's being deconstructed into water and energy and food, and my mitochondria are being repaired. So I know that this period of time right now is a little fatiguing because it's really fixing things. It's like building a new building, and it feels great. And as you saw yesterday, I wasn't even hungry at all in a grocery store. So it was a real eye-opener for me because you got to put yourself through this stress test. So it really works. I'm having a good time. Another day of just laying in the sun, laying around taking a nap, watching some movies, going out and driving around. We're going out to a couple of stores in a few minutes. But you got to love this. This really works.
Okay, that's the end of day 4. So you can see it's a little bit of a problem in the fact that you're kind of transitioning from fuel sources, but it's not that big of a deal.